Yes, absolutely.
So, Khammagani to every participant, respected jury, and honorable fellow colleagues. I am Dilip Kumar Dhal, assistant teacher, Rengali High School, Rengali, district Balangir, state Odisha.
नमस्कार ओडिशा में क्या
नमस्कार
नमस्कार
नमस्कार जुहार.
जुगाड़ जुगाड़
As I am from Western Odisha, we used to say Juhar. My presentation belongs to theme 2, that is integration of Indian knowledge system in school subjects and some things Indian knowledge system and science education. Let me to introduce me first. I am initially a science teacher, but taking interest in literature also. Therefore, I did master degree in two language and literature subject, that is English and Odia, and I did also a diploma in Bengali language from Central Institute of Indian Language, Mysore. The title of my paper is Ecological Role of Turtle in Ecosystem Dynamics. My paper explores the ecological and cultural significance of turtle, how these insights can be integrated into school curriculum through Indian knowledge system. In Indian tradition, particularly the Kurma Puran, the turtle symbolizes the stability and balance. The story of Kurma Avatar, where Lord Vishnu takes the form of turtle to support Mount Mandargiri during the Samudra Manthan, illustrates the turtle as the sustainer of life. This cultural symbolism beautifully aligns with the modern ecology, now recognized as turtles are keystone species essential for ecosystem balance. Let me explain the ecological role of turtles. Scientific research shows that turtles and turtles perform critical ecosystem services such as aquatic ecosystems. They consume algae, decaying organic matters, preventing eutrophication. Regulate predator-prey balance. As you know, our Odisha is a biological hotspot for olive ridley turtles, and the olive ridley turtles consume jellyfish. It is very important for the sustainability of marine fisheries. As the jellyfish used to consume the eggs of marine fishes. Maintains tree grass beds, wetland land, support coral reefs, coastal ecosystems, terrestrial role, acts as seed disperser, promoting forest regeneration. They also mix through burrowing, improves aeration, nutrient cycling, connect land and water system as amphibious species. In Indian context, India hosts rich turtle biodiversity. Olive ridley in marine ecosystem, Indian crabshells and tent turtle in freshwater ecosystem, and land turtle in various habitats. Odisha in particular 17 species including the world famous mass nesting arvida of olive ridleys at Gahirmatha, Devi and Rusikulya river. Ancient Indian text shows that such as Veda, Upanishad, Puran describes the turtle as a symbol of longevity, wisdom, calmness, balance, protection, and Atharva Veda verses highlights the turtle as embodiment of steadiness. In Odisha dance also, the second avatar Kurma represents the evolution of water to land. This cultural imagery helps connect ecological facts with moral and philosophical lessons. The National Education Policy frameworks like NC FMS 2022 and NC FSE 2023 encourage integrating Indian language knowledge system with scientific education, and the pattern is a perfect example for value-based education. Environmental ethics, biodiversity study, cultural learning through storytelling and arts. This supports holistic learning and connecting Indian knowledge system plus modern science. An exploratory survey was conducted with 40 environmentalists, 45 educationalists, 15 policymakers, and data were collected and through a structured questionnaire and analyzed through descriptive and thematic methods, and we got that 72% never learned about total ecology in school. Awareness exists, but that is superficial. Ecological importance, only 90% acknowledge total as vital biodiversity and water health, cultural understanding, and 78% were aware of Kurma avatar and supported its educational use. It can be integrated with curriculum integration, and respondent suggested that science lessons on ecosystem, climate change, biodiversity, value-based education, co-curricular activities, eco-club celebration, beach cleanup, study tour to Tohimathar, and other important river like Rusikulla and Devi, establishing a freshwater turtles habitat, and competition on the theme Kurma, which is a keeper of ecological balance, and symbolism enhance that ecological awareness, sustainability as a moral concept, and these themes aligns with UNESCO education for sustainable development. And I am coming to conclusion. The turtle stands at a intersection for cultural ecology, and it is both a keystone species and a cultural symbol of balance, making it a powerful educational tool. It integrates the turtle with Indian educational system also in ecology. It strengthens biodiversity awareness. It promotes value-based education. It encourages experiential and place-based education. It connects students both ancient wisdom and modern science. Ultimately, the turtle teaches us how to coexist with nature slowly, patiently, and sustainably by embedding these lessons in education. We serve environmentally responsible citizens of the future. Thank you, sir.
Done.
See, these are the drawing competitions in the school level, and what I have obtained from Kurma Purana.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Any interaction?